Hi, this is Handy Andy, and today I'm going to show you how to swap out broken or worn out joystick on the Xbox One controller. And this works out mostly for all Xbox controllers actually. But yeah, as you see, this one is in a bit of better shape, but this one here is kind of worn out. So I have a joystick replacement here, which we will put in place. And for this you need some tools as always. I have a bigger poker this time. No, but it's a bending tool, and you actually need to bend these open. This is a very sturdy build on the Xbox controller as well. I've said it before about the DualSense, the PlayStation 5 controller, but it's actually very durable, this one as well. You will probably see it when I try to bend it open. It looks like I'm using a bit of force, and I am, but it's very durable, so it will work fine. And there are only very few steps on this one. There are 5 screws, removing this top and this battery cover, and these 2 pieces on the triggers. And that's it. And also I have Torx bits here, which are for the Xbox screws. They use Torx. And then I have a smaller bending tool if needed, but I will most likely use this and brute force with the hands. So let's get cracking. On the Xbox controller, you can either bend from here or here. Now I will use it from the top here. You see, it opens up here. The latches goes all the way on this side and on this side, but if you use force, bend it open, you can hear them popping up. And I actually used a lot of force and I got it off right away. Then it pops open from this side. I will do the same here. Slide it, keep pressure, bend it open, and it pops off, and it's home. So be careful that you don't hurt yourself, but you can use a lot of force. Very durable pieces. Let's put them to the side. And now here are the screws. 2 screws here, and we're gonna remove them using Torx bits here, like that. That's one. Second one is here in the bottom. The screws are kind of in the same place as the DualSense, and it also has only 4 screws, so works quite well. Sorry for the lights issue. Technical difficulties, that's what you call it. Yeah, and the last screw is on this side. Let's remove that as well. And those who have left comments, thank you for those. It makes me improve my videos. And someone told me, could you please zoom in? So I will try to be closer to the camera. And yeah, there's another screw underneath the sticker here in the battery slot. You could just push the screwdriver through, or just take a small sharp knife or screwdriver and just you can open up the sticker like this. That's what I did. And then the last screw is inside here as well. Just place it correctly and unscrew it. Let's see, come on. There we go. And that's the last screw. So 5 screws on this one. And look, the cover comes off. And this is the inside of the Xbox controller. And what you do now is you just lift it up, remove that one, take the new one in, check so it goes evenly in the right place. Here it goes. And from this point, we could swap more than just the joysticks, but that's what I'm gonna do in this video. And now we're gonna put it back in place. So I put the top cover on, keep it sturdy in my hand like this, put this screw on, this screw back first so it holds the cover in place. And yeah, that's it. And as always, if this is a first time thing you're doing, have patience, do it step by step, and it will all work out fine. So yeah, I would almost say this is, no, I actually will say this is easier to swap out the joystick replacements than DualSense, since you just remove the top cover and there they are. On the DualSense, you have to remove the battery and pull out the motherboard and swap it, flip it over, actually. So it's a bit more trickier on that one. I never done Xbox controllers before, so it was a pleasant surprise. I'm just putting the screws back in, one by one, like that. And the last one here in the top. Yep, that's in place. And now, for the last part, now we're going to put these covers back on. And the same thing goes for putting them back. You just press them into place like that. Same thing on the other side. That's it. And if I would have batteries, put the lid on. And there we go. So thank you guys for watching. I hope I could help someone with this video. And I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.